Meaning of highway.
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 Highway. A highway is a public road designed for safe and efficient vehicular travel over long distances between cities and towns. It typically has multiple lanes in each direction and may have limited access points, such as on- and off-ramps. Highways are usually constructed to be straighter, flatter, and wider than other types of roads. They are often used for high-speed travel and are intended to handle large volumes of traffic. Highways are an important part of transportation infrastructure, providing a means for people and goods to move efficiently across the country.